Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From the flight deck, your captain speaking. My name is Bernie Galang, and with me is Senior First Officer Lay Hababe. We have our cabin senior directors Chutina and Ashraf. We would all like to welcome you aboard this flight, QR042, an Airbus A380 service from Paris bound to Doha. Our flight time for this morning is 5 hours and 52 minutes, and we will be cruising at an altitude of 41,000 feet. We have a nice weather en route, and also in our destination Doha we are expecting a very nice weather as well. We just expect maybe some delay on our departure due to the low visibility in the aerodrome right now. Well, again, on behalf of the company and the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us. We hope you will enjoy the flight for today. Have a pleasant morning.
تحالف العالم الواحد طيران سلنكي كابتن كابتن ومساعد ورقي افراد طاقم الطائره. نرحب بحضراتكم على طائرة الخطوط الجوية القطرية في رحلة رقم 4-2 والمتجهة باذن الله الاتي الى مطار حمد الدولي في دولة قطر.
Flight deck, your captain speaking. We just got an update, and we expect to get the pushback clearance in about 2 to 3 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you.
Welcome aboard this Qatar Airways flight. Please pay attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. For your comfort and safety, we operate a non-smoking policy on board all our aircraft. Smoking in the toilet will activate a smoke alarm. Smoking on board the aircraft and tampering with the smoke detector are criminal offences punishable by law.
Cabin crew, arm door for departure and cord check.
Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, you may assist others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the brace position as shown on the screen. Your life jacket is either beside you, next to you, or underneath your seat. When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to smart, and are located as shown on the screen. Escape path lighting will guide you to the emergency exits. In case of emergency landing on water, the evacuation slides will serve as rafts. Please remember to remove footwear before.
تعليمات السلامة على متن هذه الطائرة. لراحتكم وسلامتكم يمنع التدخين منعا باتا على متن جميع رحلاتنا، بما في ذلك التدخين في دورات المياه الذي يسبب إطلاق جهاز كاشف الدخان، كما أن التدخين على متن رحلاتنا وكذلك العبث بجهاز كاشف الدخان يعدان من الجرائم الجنائية التي يعاقب عليها القانون. من أعلى، أو قد يطلب منك أن تقوم بسحب الشريط الأحمر الذي سيهبط تلقائيا أمامك والمكتوب عليه اسحب. التنفس بطريقة طبيعية يعطي إشارة لبدء تدفق الأكسجين. اسحب القناع نحو وجهك مع تغطية الأنف والفم، مع التأكيد من أن وضعية القناع صحيحة، ثم تنفس بطريقة طبيعية. بعد تثبيت قناعك أولا بطريقة صحيحة، يمكنك بعد ذلك مساعدة
Cabin crew, seat for departure. Ladies and gentlemen, remind all customers to put your mobile phone in the flight safe mode now. Thank you.
بعد قليل سترى إشارة ملتحزمات المقاعد، ولكن نقترح في حال جلوسكم أن تكون الأحزمة مربوطة تحسبا للمرونة بين الطبقات الهوائية. سيقوم أفراد الفريق بتقديم وجبة الفطور مع اختيار المشروبات الباردة أو الشاي أو القهوة. قبل الوصول إلى المطار الحامد الدولي سنقوم بتقديم وجبة خفيفة. لمزيد معلومات عن مبيعات السوق الحرة يمكن مراجعة مجلة المبيعات.
All times during the flight. If you are using a blanket, we kindly ask that you fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so it is visible. We invite you to browse through extravaganza, our in-flight duty-free catalog which is in your seat pocket. Our in-flight meal service will commence shortly with breakfast, followed later during the flight by warm sandwiches. Please refer to your personal menu cards for more details. If there is anything that we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.
ground temperature when we land is going to be 27 degrees Celsius. Again, on behalf of the company and the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us, and we hope you enjoyed the flight today. And we all wish you a pleasant stay in Doha, and for those who have connecting flights, we wish you a safe journey ahead. Thank you and good afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're passing through the area of turbulence. Request all customers to return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. The cabin crew will now start and prepare the cabin for landing. Thank you.
الوصول. لقد حدثت الطائرة بحمد الله على في مطار حمد الدولي مقلتكم من قطر وباقي أنحاء العالم، حيث التوقيت المحلي يشير إلى الساعة 4:55. درجة الحرارة الخارجية 27 درجة مئوية. نرجو سلامتكم وراحتكم، نرجو منكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم إلى أن تتوقف الطائرة تماما وتطفئ إشارة رفض حزمات المقاعد. نذكر حضرات المسافرين بضرورة أخذ جميع أمتعتكم الشخصية والأدوية قبل مغادرتكم الطائرة. إذا كنتم ترغبون في استخدام هواتف النقالة والأجهزة الإلكترونية يمكنكم استخدامها في الوقت الحالي.
Gentlemen, welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world, where the local time is 4:55 in the evening and the outside temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Also remember that smoking is only permitted in designated areas of the airport. You may now use your mobile and electronic devices if you wish to do so. If Doha is your final destination, please proceed to arrivals to complete your immigration formalities and collect your baggage. Please be advised that nationals from more than 80 countries can now take advantage of visa-free entry into Qatar. To learn more about visa requirements for Qatar, please visit qatarairways.com/visa-free. If you are transferring to a Qatar Airways flight, please follow the signs to transfers. Customers traveling onwards in first and business class are invited to use the exclusive premium transfer facility in the transfer hall. Qatar Airways' preferred hotel in Doha is the Oryx Rotana Hotel. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the One World Alliance, Captain Galang, our codeshare partner Sri Lankan Airlines and the rest of the crew, we wish you a pleasant stay in Doha or a safe journey to your final destination. We hope that you will include Qatar Airways as part of your future travel plans to any of our over 160 destinations worldwide. Qatar Airways, going places together. Thank you and good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to apologize for the delayed arrival of this aircraft and any inconvenience that this may have caused you. We thank you for your understanding.
Sejam